Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, I've got 50 subscribers right now. Shout out to all of you amazing people. And today, we're talking about something crazy. How to go from 1 to 1 million subscribers. Now, I know what you're thinking. Bro, you only have 50 subs. Why should I listen to you? Well, I've been studying the strategies of top creators, and I'm here to share everything I've learned so far. Whether you're just starting out like me or trying to level up, this video is for you. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about the mindset. Growing this fast isn't just about luck. It's about being strategic and consistent. I'm still learning this myself, but one thing I've realized is that you have to treat your channel like a business. For me, that means figuring out my niche, understanding my audience, and creating content that stands out. It's not easy, but hey, we're in this together. Okay, so content is everything. To grow fast, your videos need to be shareable and engaging. I've been experimenting with different types of content, like tutorials, reaction videos, and trending topics, to see what works. The key is to create something people can't resist clicking on. For example, if you're in gaming, maybe it's a crazy challenge. If you're into tech, maybe it's a review of the latest gadget. The goal is to make people say, I have to share this with my friends. Here's something I've been working on lately: social media. I've been sharing my videos on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter to drive traffic to my channel. It's not easy, but I'm learning how to create short, catchy clips that grab attention. And don't forget to use hashtags and trends to get more eyes on your content. Every little bit helps when you're starting out like me. Now, collaborations are something I'm still figuring out. I've reached out to a few smaller creators in my niche to see if they're interested in working together. It's all about finding people with a similar audience and creating something that benefits both of us. If you're in the same boat as me, don't be afraid to reach out. Worst case, they say no, right? Let's talk about the basics: SEO and optimization. I've been using tools like TubeBuddy to find keywords and improve my video titles and descriptions. And thumbnails? Oh man, I've spent hours trying to make them look good. The goal is to make people stop scrolling and click on your video. It's a work in progress, but I'm getting better every day. Consistency is something I'm really focusing on. Right now, I'm trying to upload at least 3 times a week. It's not easy, but I know the algorithm loves consistency. And hey, if I can do it with my tiny channel, so can you. Now, paid promotion is something I haven't tried yet, but I've been researching it. If you have the budget, running YouTube ads or promoting your videos on social media can give you a boost. For now, I'm focusing on organic growth, but it's definitely something I'm considering for the future. Finally, engagement is so important. I've been trying to reply to every comment and ask questions in my videos to get people talking. Building a community is key, especially when you're small like me. I want my subscribers to feel like they're part of something special, and I'm so grateful for every single one of you. Alright, that's it for today's video. I know I'm still figuring things out, but I hope these tips help you as much as they're helping me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to join me on this journey to 1 million subs. And hey, drop a comment below. What's your biggest challenge when it comes to growing your channel? Let's help each other out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.